Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to create this awesome personalized gift basket for any occasion. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already pre-cut all of my stuff out with my Cricut maker, and I've got iron on, so I'm using the Cricut Everyday Iron On. This is in the color mustard yellow, which is beautiful. I'm loving the color yellow mustard right now. Oh, love it. We have Cricut's glitter vinyl, so this is going to be their glitter vinyl, and then we're also just using some of their everyday regular vinyl, so we've got that as well. And then this is all of their new stuff, which works very, very well. And then I've already cut out a monogram using their regular premium permanent vinyl as well, and I have a video that I'll have linked below if you haven't already seen that in yesterday's video. Okay, so I've already pre-cut those out. I've already got them on my, sitting on my bright pad, just waiting to be used. So the only iron on that we're going to do is the one name on a towel. Step one, we're going to go ahead and do the front of this basket. This basket I got at Michael's, and they were half off. The original price was $20, so there it is. It was half off, which was $10, but they had a coupon was 20% off all regular priced items. So I got this for $8. Look how cute this basket is. So $8 for the basket. I've already got the name that's going to go on the front of this. We're going to go ahead and apply the first name here on the basket. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to get this nice and even. All right, just like that. Use our Cricut Excel tool. I've already told you I absolutely love this one when it comes to working with the vinyl. So you're just going to rub that down really well. And then we're going to get this off of here. All right, there we go. And it looks like I wrote it with chalk on a little chalkboard. Super cute. Love it. All right, so there's step one. Our basket's done. So I'm going to set this out of the way. We've already got our monogram for the card done, so I'm going to set it out of the way as well. Next one I'm going to do, I got two of these glass tumblers here. They're little mason jars. I got two of these in a package at Target for $3. It's in the dollar spot. So two in a package for $3, which makes it $1.50 each. And I'm going to put the name on here. I filled it with M&Ms. Now, on the first one I did earlier, I did the name in this direction, but this time I'm going to go in this direction. So on this one, since it's the glitter, I use Cricut's Strong Grip transfer tape, and it works amazing with glitter vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and you can see how easy that peels off there, and that it is picking it up for us. All right. So when it comes to their to any type of glitter vinyl, I recommend using their Strong Grip transfer tape. All right, so you want to clean this with some alcohol first. I've already done that. And then I'm going to just want to even this up. Like I've talked about before, I work from the center and work my way out. So just like that. And I just kind of use my fingers to kind of rub this in. All right. There you have it. So now we have a super cute cup, and like I said, I just filled it with M&Ms. I bought one bag of M&Ms that was $4 and split it between the two cups. So now we have our cup. I'm going to go ahead. So here's the cup. Cute. And that was with that glitter. Hopefully you guys can pick that up. I did it so it can match the lid with this rose gold here. All right. So I'm going to set this out of the way. All right. The next one we're going to do is the candle. So this candle here I picked up from Pier 1. It is Magnolia Blossom. It smells amazing. And they are only $7.95, but you could use any candle that you want to, okay? But this one smelled like perfume. I thought it would go great in a dorm room. So I just did another circle monogram in white, and we're going to put this right on top. All right. Once again, you're going to want to remove any fingerprints, and you're going to want to clean that with alcohol, but I've already done that. So all I'm going to do is try to even this up and make sure it looks good. All right, just like that. We'll use our tool here and peel that off, just like that. So just to have an extra little monogram. Look how cute on that candle. I love it. Super cute. All right, so I'm going to set this one out of the way. For the next one, we're going to do this cute little lamp. So these lamps here, look, they've got the little LED light in them. These are only $5.99 at Target. So these are at Target in the Room Essentials area, so you can bend them. They could do all this cute stuff. So I was thinking two ways that I could have done this. I did the circle monogram again. I'm going to do it here on the side. I could have done one where it went down here on the bottom part too. That would be cute either way. But I'm going to do mine here on the side. All right, so I'm going to set this down here and then tilt my head back so you guys can see it. So you just want to make sure this is clean. Clean it with some alcohol first. Just Just make sure it's nice and clean. All right, I've already got my monogram, like I said, and it's the glitter. So we're just going to peel this off and stick it on. So you want to make sure that you're just kind of getting it nice and even. Start from that centerpiece and then kind of lay it down. All right, now look how cute that is. I'm going to kind of tilt this back. But look how cute that lamp is now. Really cute for $5.99. All right, so I'm going to set this one out of the way. For the next one, we're going to do an umbrella. So there's two pieces. You could do just one or the other, or you could do both like I'm doing. So when you open this, this is from Walmart. They're $3, but I bet Target has one that's really affordable as well. So $3 from Walmart. This piece right here, when you roll it out, I'm going to put her name right there. So all you have to do is just kind of lay it out like this, right? I've already got the name. So I've already measured, I got it cut out. I've already got the name ready to go. So I'm going to get this. And yes, this vinyl is going to stick. This is permanent vinyl. All right, so what I'm going to do is just kind of make sure that's even. And get it down. So I'm going to get it down just like that. And then take my Cricut tool. And rub that down just like that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and rub this with my fingers really well to make sure it's going to stay. Then what you can do is you can flip it over just like so, and you can rub it again just like this to kind of really help push that in. So there you have it. See how cute that is? And then when you twist it up, so when you go to twist it like so, you're going to have it just like that. You're going to have it just like that. Isn't that cute? So you could just do it like that, but I'm going to show you to go ahead and add it here. And I'm hoping I'll be able to show it because it's going to be big and difficult. So I'm going to try. So I'm going to pop it out. This is the front of the umbrella. So where I just now put the name is at the back. Okay. So this is the front. All right. So you can see it here. All right. So I'm just covering one of these pieces on the umbrella. And like I said, this is going to be the front. So all I did was just kind of figure out where the center was like this, where I wanted it in the front. So I'm just kind of getting it, and then I stuck my hand underneath and pushed down on the top part. So like this, right? And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the umbrella. I'm going to flip it over so you can see through here on the camera. This is going to go face down, and I actually stuck it on my bright pad. So I've got my bright pad down there to protect the umbrella. And so underneath here is where that vinyl is at. So all I did was take my Cricut scraper here, and I'm going to push down because this is going to help hold that adhesive into, so it's kind of basically really pushing that adhesive into the umbrella material. Once you have it like this, you want to be nice and slow and work this off. Now it may want to try to pick it up, but just take your time, because over time, so give it 24 hours and this is going to stick to it really, really well. So like I said, just take your time getting it off. You really want to push it in as best as possible like I was showing you. So you'll get pieces that try to pop up. And I have my hand underneath pushing, so that way I'm giving some pressure. All right, just like that. All right. So at this point, I'm going to go through making sure everything's kind of held down, just like that. And there you have it. Isn't that cute? Now what I did was I'm going to set this open aside for 24 hours. And after that, I just folded it up. It'll collapse and fold together just very nicely. So don't worry about that. So just set the umbrella open for 24 hours and then go back and kind of push like this one more time. And it'll be awesome. All right, so there's the umbrella. I've got my easy press started for $3.15 for 30 seconds. So the last thing we need to do is an iron on. I'm going to scoop my bright pad out of the way here, and we're going to bring our little mat in. And the way that I did this, because the way that I have it rolled up in the basket, I want it to be over on this corner, and I had it face up this way because I really like the fringe, and then I want it to be able to be seen like this. Okay, so what I did, you're going to see it upside down for a minute. is I'm going to flip it over like this, get it down, and this is where it's going to go. Now, these towels here, they are Opal House, and they are from Target. They were $5. Look how cute they are. I'm going to bring it in so you guys can see the design and texture on that. Aren't they cute? They look vintage. I just love it. So I thought it would be awesome for their dorm to have their own little personalized towel. And this gray and mustard together is just awesome. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the moisture. So I'm going to kind of just do this and kind of get some of that moisture pulled out. All right. And then we're going to get down our name. All right, so there we go. So you can see that. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this on here for 315 for 30 seconds. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over just like so, and we're going to get it for another 15 seconds. So I'm going to pop it back down and get it for another 15 seconds. All right, just like that. Go ahead and peel this while it's cold. All right, so there you have it. Isn't that cute? I love that mustard yellow. Isn't that awesome? All right, so all I have left to do is to roll this towel up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from one side to the next, rolling this in nice and tight. Trying to keep it nice and straight. So there we go. And then what I did to top this off was I just took a little bit of ribbon and then I tied it into a bow. All right, just like that. Isn't that super cute? So now that we have all of our pieces together, we've got our super adorable basket and we've got all of our pieces ready. This is how I put it together. So I put the lamp in first. You could always trim off the tag if you wanted to, but I didn't. So I get in the lamp first, okay? And I can adjust this later. So I get the lamp in and then I'm gonna get my towel in here. Let me get that in there. I know it's kind of hard to see from this angle. All right, so I've got my lamp in there. I've got my towel in there. And then I just started working with the bigger snacks first. So like my Cheetos, I put at the back. Just started like working my way forward. So I really tried to work with, like I said, the bigger bags of snacks first. So some of these you can't even see in the other one, but I've got them in there to add extra. So I'm going to get those down in there. And then I start working with some of my other little candies or snacks here. Put my pickle right up in here. I've got my card tucked in here. Got my candle here at the front. Look how cute that is. Once again, it's just so adorable. You have to go smell this candle. It smells so good. All right, so there's that. And then I'm going to get my name in here. See, I wish I would have done the other one. I've done the name on the other one this direction because it looks a lot better. You can see it. And tuck some socks in here. These socks here I tucked in the front, kind of hang it off. I just thought it was super cute. These socks are from Target. They were $1.99. These are from Walmart for $2, I believe, $2.99. I'm going to start just tucking some of these cuter snacks in here. I've got some peanut butter in here. All right, get those down in there. And then I've got a Slim Jim. I just kind of tucked down. I've got one more Nutella. I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in. Got a thing of sunflower seeds. I'm going to kind of tuck back in here. The thing I've got here is like that car monogram that we got. The car decal. All right. Just like that. All right, so there you have it. 2 super cute baskets for graduation. But don't think of just graduation. This would make a great birthday gift. You could change it up and do these things for like baby showers, weddings, really anything. Father's Day is coming up. You could create some sort of fishing thing like this. Mother's Day just passed, but think about next year. But it's just definitely a great little quick basket to look at how personalized that is from your towel to your lamp to your candle to your little drink there, as well as your car. and even that adorable umbrella back there. So it's just a lot of stuff that makes it a lot more personalized to the basket. It looks like we wrote on there with chalk. It's just really cute. Like I said, these baskets are at Michael's for $8. So it's just a little fun, cute basket to put together. So I really hope you guys try this out. Like I said, the towel was $5, the lamp's $5, the candle was $7, the cup was 2 for $3. And then the umbrellas were $3. So it's really affordable. And then you just throw some snacks in there. The baskets were $8. And then you just cut out all your vinyl or iron on, whatever you're working on. But they are super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.